Okay, so this is lecture 8, and we're going to be talking about a data structure called, or a data type rather, called an array. So array is basically just a list of things that you store, where you can store a bunch of things that are usually related. So you might have a list of your friends. So it would be an array. We call it an array containing the names of your friends, for example. So you might this array has 4 spaces in it, or 4 cells, or it can hold 4 elements. Okay, and so here we'd have like your one friend and another friend and so on. And one thing to notice here is that the index number, or the index value for each element of the list, the first one is called the 0th one. So you start counting with 0 instead of with 1. Okay, so the fourth one here would have an index value of 3. Okay? So we define our 4-element array with this statement. Dim, it's going to be called friends, and we say 3 as string, and that actually means that it has how many elements in it? It actually has 4 elements in it. Okay, and then we can enter Fred as the first element, or the 0th element, like this. You say Fred equals friends 0th element. And Wilma, you can enter that as the second element, or the first element, the element with the first the index 1. Wilma equals friends 1. Okay? So you use this in general. So we can, if we have a list, if we have an array, we can fill in all the elements of the array into this list box. So let's take a look at that. So you can have something like that. Okay, so you want to read in each element of your array into the list box. So first of all, we define an array to hold 4 strings. So we do it this way. Dim friends 3 as string. Remember, this will give us 4 spaces. And then we say the 0th element is Fred, the first element is Betty, the second element is Barney, and the third element, or the third element is Dino. And then remember, okay, so we have a list box. Here it's called, where is it? List friends, LST friends. So we can do, we've seen this before, we can do list friends, give the name of the control box, the control, which is called, which is a list box, dot items, dot add, and then friends 0, friends 1, friends 2, friends 3. Okay, and that then will add these elements into our list box, right?